In the Quasis District, this youth hostel offers reasonably priced rooms, 8 kilometers from Dubai International Airport Terminal 1. It features an outdoor pool, dining options, storage and laundry facilities. Air-conditioned dormitories and private rooms at Dubai Youth Hostel have functional furnishings and tiled floors. They are all equipped with cable TV channels, while each has access to shared bathrooms facilities. Guests can enjoy simple food, snacks and refreshments at the in-house cafeteria of the hostel. The nearby Bustan Mall is a comprehensive luxury shopping center providing an abundance of shops and eateries. The staff at the Youth Hostel Dubai is available 24/7 and can help plan visits and excursions to nearby popular attractions, including the scenic Port Saed. Complimentary parking can be found on site. Qusais is a great choice for travelers interested in shopping, family-friendly trips and markets. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.